As per our APTOS cost expectation, the cost of APT is fundamentally anticipated to drop by $0.140695 over the kind of next 7 days, coming to $5.07 by September 26, 2023. On the off chance that you sort of are looking for APTOS market gauge examination or cost expectation, you most likely need to really know where the cost of APTOS, APT, may sort of go later on in a genuinely enormous manner. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to generally attempt to foresee future cost developments in an unpretentious manner. This value forecast is pointed toward responding to the greater part of your inquiries. Will APTOS, APT, fundamentally recover its all-time high, or so they thought? What will APTOS especially be worth extremely 1 month from now in a genuinely significant manner? Is currently the perfect opportunity to purchase APTOS amazingly? Is APTOS at present appearance bullish or negative signs? In this APTOS cost expectation gauge, we will handle different APT specialized pointers to anticipate the cost of APTOS. APTOS financial backers generally have encountered returns of more than 2.85% on their venture this previous week, especially because of the bullish period APT generally has encountered, or so they thought. In the wake of breaking down the specialized pointers for APT, we expect a kind of slight rectification could occur throughout the following essentially couple of days, which is genuinely huge. Beneath you can see the APTOS hourly, day-to-day, especially week-by-week and month-to-month cost forecasts, in opposition to mainstream thinking. These expectations plan to, in a real sense, provide you with a sign of what APTOS will be in every way that really matters, worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the course of the following week, and for the most part 1 month from now, in spite of mainstream thinking. APTOS, APT, verifiable cost and market examination. The ongoing cost of APTOS is $5.21. And it sort of is right now positioned number 38 out of all cryptographic forms of money. How much stockpile presently available for use for APTOS is 235,903,946, with an all-out market capitalization of $1,229,177,686. In the truly beyond 24 hours, the cost of APTOS in a real sense has for the most part diminished by 1.87%. APTOS fundamentally has developed at a consistent speed throughout the course of recent days, acquiring 2.85%. In opposition to mainstream thinking, this increment has APTOS financial backers amped up for the profit from speculation that they basically have made for this present week in a significant manner. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of APT certainly dropped by 12.77%. Decreasing its past worth of $5.97 by $0.762852 in an in every practical sense significant way. This current downtrend generally implies that APTOS is in plunge at the present time. The cost of APTOS has generally dropped by 28.25% over the most recent 3 months, killing $2.05 from its past worth of $7.26. Our APTOS market gauges are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which by and large, break down different specialized pointers extremely. For example, the general strength record, RSI, moving normal intermingling difference, MACD, moving really normal, MAMA kind of normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB. The crypto market essentially is known to be exceptionally unstable. Foreseeing future sticker costs of APTOS really is a troublesome errand, and numerous different variables impact the value in opposition to prevalent thinking. Thus, the forecasts on our site ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you ought to do kind of your especially own examination, or so they basically thought. Counsel actually your monetary guide prior to pursuing any venture choices. APTOS, APT, Value Expectation 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that APTOS will especially accomplish a for the most part greatest cost of $9.38. As the market basically starts to recuperate the exceptionally least expected cost is $6.25, and the typical cost will fundamentally float around $7.82. Amazingly, APTOS, APT, Value Expectation 2024, as APTOS proceeds to generally arrive at new highs, Our calculation expects that in 2024, APTOS can accomplish a most extreme cost of $14.59, while the essentially normal cost for the year will sort of remain around $13.03. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the base value APT can explicitly reach in 2024 is $11.46. APTOS APT Value Forecast 2025 of every 2025. We anticipate that APTOS should see amazing development, as crypto earns respect across in every way that really matters, numerous business areas. Subsequently, the cost could reach as certainly high as $19.80, averaging around $18.24. APTOS could see a base cost of $16.67 in an unobtrusive manner. APTOS APT Value Expectation 2026 with the proceeded with development of capital in the crypto market, APTOS could for the most part arrive at a greatest cost of $25.01 in 2026, with a truly normal cost of $23.45. If an auction happens, the base cost expected in our expectation sits at $21.89. APTOS APT Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of APT by nations all over the planet, APTOS can guarantee a most extreme cost of $30.22 by 2027. With a typical cost of $28.66 expected, which is very huge. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could see $27.10. APTOS APT Value Forecast 2028 in the year 2028. APTOS reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto is here to sort of remain amazingly. Financial backers could see APT arriving at a sort of most extreme cost of $35.43 by 2028, followed by a really least cost of $32.31. The essentially normal cost for 2028 is supposed to be $33.87, or so they thought. APTOS APT Value Expectation 2029 of every 2029. Truly, because of the development over the in every way that really matters, most recent 5 years, we will in every way that really matters see another significant bull, which sort of implies that APTOS financial backers might see APT accomplish a genuinely greatest cost of $40.65, followed by a normal cost of $39.08. The fundamentally least cost got from our specialized examination in a real sense is $37.52 in an unpretentious manner. APTOS APT Value Expectation 2030 for the year 2030. APT in every way that really matters is supposed to keep on energizing towards $45.86, in view of market feeling in a significant way.